Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In this video, I will tell you about the incoming call problem in your device Redmi K50 and Gaming Edition. But before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move to the topic. If you are having problem regarding the incoming calls, like you are unable to receive the call or you are unable to see the call on the display, you can solve this issue by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can solve the incoming call problem in your device.